This 2022 Heartland Bighorn 3502SB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, slide-out, water heater, auxiliary battery, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Bighorn 3502SB is 12,840 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.